There is no doubt Google is the biggest search engine out there in the internet space. Oftentimes, it's funny how we go on Google to search for how to make money online without knowing that we can actually start making money with Google itself. Okay, for anyone that desires to make money online, actually, Google as a platform is a lifeline to anybody that wants to start making money online. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and everything that surrounds making money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, you're also super welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. Okay, so maybe you've been wondering, can Google itself actually make you a whole lot of money or even make you a millionaire? Actually, super yes. You can make money using Google. Aside Google being the biggest search engine out there, Google is also a very big company that owns so many well-known products out there, ranging from the Android operating system to the YouTube platform, which is the biggest website out there with the highest number of traffic after Google itself. Okay, so YouTube is next in line, and all these products and services are owned by Google. So Google as a big company needs services from you and I who are freelancers or who wants to make money online. There are so many opportunities surrounding making money with Google itself. Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at the ways or the major ways you can actually start making money with Google. Actually, so many businesses and brands, with the help of Google, make money for their businesses and brand, but that's not the topic of today. Today, we're going to focus on the direct ways you can actually make money with Google. Okay, so having said that, and without wasting much of your time, let's hop right into it. Those ways you can actually make money with Google. Okay, the first one is web search reviewer. As a web search reviewer or web search evaluator, your job is to help these search engines to evaluate and analyze their search results to be sure that it's actually, in as much as Google search is automated and has to do with a whole lot of, bots and all that, once in a while, they need human review to actually look at the results being displayed by these search engines to be sure that it actually is appealing to the users and it's relevant, okay, so that they don't have to lose their customer base and also to stay relevant in the industry. That's why Google need you to be a web search evaluator for them, and you can earn as much as $7 to $18 per hour, depending on how long you work and all that. And you can actually register directly with Google, or you can use a third party such as Adsense and Lionbridge. Okay, so the next way you can make money with Google is remote work with Google. Actually, Google as a very big company needs so many services to be done for them. Okay, and it doesn't necessarily, you don't have to work with them in their live or physical office. You can actually work as a freelancer right from your home. Okay, so, and they need so many persons to help them take care of one or two services, both administrative, content development, and all that. But when it comes to remote work with Google, people that are software engineers and developers have higher chances to actually get these jobs compared to every other person, because these skills are highly sought after. Okay, so having said that, the next way you can make money with Google is Google Adsense. Google Adsense is a program by Google which helps advertisers and marketers to display their adverts on blogs, videos, games, and apps. Okay, and if you have, as a matter of fact, Google AdSense is one of the biggest way or the most popular way people make money with Google, because so many persons out there that have online products, talking of blog, videos, games, app, they register with Google AdSense and advertisers start putting out their content and adverts on their platforms. And at the end of each month, Google checks how much, because at the end of each month, Google checks how much they've accrued, because Those advertisers pay you for displaying their ad on on your platform, and for each view or each click or each engagement those their ads get through your online products like your blog, your video, your game, or your app, you get a certain amount. And at the end of the month, Google gets this amount together and pay you. Okay, so that's a very big opportunity to make money with Google. Okay, so having said that, the next one is Google Ad Experts. Yeah, Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is a program by Google whereby individuals and businesses can actually advertise their products. Okay, so and there are so many brands and there are so many businesses that don't know how to use these Google ads to reach out to their audience, and they, at each point in time, they need individuals who are actually experts in Google ads to help them run promotions and adverts for their businesses and for their brands. And alternatively, in as you may not be employed by a company to get this job done, you can actually use this skill for yourself. If you are a Google Ads expert, you can actually start marketing your product or your business or your brand and also make money through that means as a Google Ad expert. Okay, so right on to the next one is YouTube videos. Of course, YouTube is the next biggest platform out there in the internet, the most visited, it has the highest number of visitors every day, billions of views every day. Okay, and as a matter of fact, YouTube alone pays their creators as much as $8 to $10 billion every year. And that's another way you can actually make money with Google. All you just have to do is to get right in front of your camera and actually start putting out valuable content. And the more subscribers you get, the more views you get, the more engagement you get. You could actually sign up and monetize your blog through Google Adsense and start raking in revenues. And aside using Adsense, you could actually, through affiliate marketing and selling of courses and selling of programs and so many other ways, or brand endorsement, you can actually start making money with your YouTube channel, which is another great way of making money with YouTube. Okay, so in conclusion, in as much as these are not the only way you can make money with Google, there are so many other ways, but these 5 are the top ways you could actually make good amount of money with Google, and you can make this money as long as possible because Google as a platform, Google as a company is here to stay. They're not going anywhere anytime soon, and they keep churning out new and new innovative products which appeals to so many persons, and they move with the ongoing trend. And so that way, you having to earn money or start raking in revenues with Google is here to stay and is going to last for a very long time. So if you are still wondering whether you are going to make good amount of money or become a millionaire working with Google or earning with Google, that's 100% possible. However, it's not just you getting to use any of these ways to start making money with Google is the priority. The priority is always have it at the back of your mind that you have to stay consistent and committed to any of these ways to make money online, because it only becomes your goals or your aim of making money with Google only comes to fruition if you're able to stay consistent and keep brandishing your skills and keep doing what you know how to do best, and make sure you churn out as much content as possible and as good information as possible. And also, if you are to work with Google remotely, make sure that you give out good services so that you have higher chances and opportunity to make as much money as possible. So, having been with me in this video up till this moment, I would like you to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop cool content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. So, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.